Hi there, this is the second episode of the work truck series. Today we are going to be stripping out all the interior and some other bits, and then there'll be a montage.